problem in India. Water is wasted by performing various activities such as first, washing clothes and cooking appliances, second, in toilets, third, bathing, etc. Our idea is on conservation of water in toilets, as the water supplied by flush in toilet and water used while washing are used separately, and the water used is sent to sewage, which is a wastage, as the water which can be used once is used separately.
Therefore, we will use a mechanism through which it will read the timing of a person using toilet, and when he or she uses wash basin for washing hands, the water containing soap dissolved in it will be flushed according to the need, and then the water goes to the filter processes, which would increase the groundwater table. The process would decrease the water used for the maintenance of toilet, as the soap water will clean the toilet while passing through flush, and will also provide a good hygiene as well as maintenance of toilet. The amount of water that was used 3 times will be used once and help to maintain the water cycle. Now my friend Suryash will explain it further.
To explain it further, let's take a building where more than 5,000 liters per day of water is required. The normal scenario is that all utilized water goes directly to the sea and it further depletes the groundwater table. We can devise a system where the water utilized at other places in the house like kitchen, wash basins, etc. gets filtered and sent to the ground so that the water table rises. The waste utilized in the washrooms should be recycled and used again and again. My fellow Jay will demonstrate it. Now I will take a dirty water and put into the water tank. As you can see, there is very dirty water in it. Now you can see here the water is being filtered and coming back to the. Now you can see here the separate tank, and here would come the filtered water. Now you can see here the water filtering and coming back to the tank. Now, if a person is using a wash basin, then the water will collect and go towards the tank where the flush will go. And if a person is using the toilet, then it would sense its time, and if it's less than 15, the water would start pumping.
So as you can see, the button is on and the IR is reading the timing, and when it would be less than 15 or greater than 15, the pump will be started according to the need. And now as we close, you can see the water was coming out, which is indicating that it is being flushed. And now this is was all, and now we will show you what is in internal structure. So here it is having sediment filter, which would and filter with charcoal, which would show and indicate that the water is cleaned and is regaining its ions. And from here it is the water from the washer, which would go directly which would be clean and go to the natural filter, which would replenish its ions, and then it would go to hand pump. Now in case of emergency, if we required water, you can see that the hand pump is throwing water. So this was all our model, and hope you liked our model and you learned that how we have to conserve our nature. Thank you and have a nice day.